Hey YouTube, busy day today. I've got some. I'm going to do a few videos, so you'll see me wearing the Black Sabbath t-shirt probably over the next few days. This is a guitar I had in my pal Lennon. Haha, that's his second name. So it's like been painted up Strat. I think he said it was a Squire. Not really sure. But anyway, I was in doing a wee bit of wiring things. So what this is it's got a humbucker hot rail in the bridge. 5-way switch as usual, a kill switch, and the middle tone pot isn't a tone pot. What it does is it turns. So like when the middle tone pot's fully off, this is a single coil, and then you can gradually bring it in to be a full humbucker. This guy loves fuzz, so I've got the fuzz on. That's why you can hear it buzzing away. There was a bit of a problem with microphonicness in this guitar, and because he's a mad fuzz fan, I'm trying to do it. It's a little bit it's kind of. But the bridge pickup was really microphonic, and it's kind of. I had another hot rail in my parts box, so I was going to swap the hot rails over. I couldn't get the cover off this one, so we had the idea of well, it was kind of useless anyway. So I boiled water, put it into a pot, and I was thinking that might melt the glue, so I could get the cover off and put it onto another hot rail. And when I put it in, I noticed there was bubbles coming out it. So what I think's happened. I mean, this might be completely ridiculous. It seems to have worked though. I think, see the wax, which is the reason it had gone microphonic, right? The wax had gone hard or something like that. I think sticking it in boiling water has melted the wax again to make it fix it. Does that make sense? Whether that's a good idea or not, I mean, I gave it a good wipe afterwards. Whether it's just going to rust over the next 6 months, I can't tell. But we'll see what happens. I'll deal with that later. I can always get it back. Yeah, so. Just using my, in fact I'm using my Terminator fuzz. Will I use the Terminator fuzz? That's just the fuzz pedal on its own. Terminator fuzz, that's the Pi fuzz. They sound exactly the same. I should adjust the settings on the twin note one so it doesn't sound exactly the same as the Terminator. The Terminator's got like one knob. There's not really that much you can do, whereas the other one's got 4. So, both of them on. That's both. Yeah, okay. Maybe not. Maybe both fuzz pedals on's a bit too much. Yeah, so that's it. Single coil on the bridge. Humbucker the bridge. More speed than that, then, eh? See what comes out. I'll try it without the fuzz. Got a bit more chances here what the difference between a single coil and a humbucker is. A single humbucker. I don't think that's overly microphonic anymore. It was pure screaming before I started. Yeah, so that's a damn quick video for me. Trying to get through these as quickly as possible. One of the things I do, I think, I mean, not one of the things, its paint job's a little bit lumpy, which is fine. I do like the mirror idea. I really like the idea see it doesn't have fret markings on the front. I think he's just coloured it in with a black marker pen, and it's like, it just gives it a little bit of character. It's quite good. I can see he's got one of these dymo labelers as well. I just noticed that this should be set to drop D because it's actually written on the back of the headstock, written on the top of the headstock. I did a similar thing. When you buy a dymo labeler, you just end up labelling everything you can find. I never quite got down to, putting on and off on the light switch, but everything else I've used it for. Yeah, so very quick video. Here's your guitar back. Rock on.